going on, everybody? We are back and we are headed to Silver Lake sand dunes. Daisy, you excited? Yeah? She loves the dunes. She's a little tired. It's a little after 9 o'clock. About what time she usually gets up. So we're headed out. So we got the Raptor pulling Tanner's trailer behind us with his side-by-side. We got these guys over here, Austin and Evan, and theirs. And then behind us, if you can kind of see, we've got the Blazer, Tanner's General, and him back there. So we're gonna head up there, be there in a few hours. We'll give you guys a little glimpse of our trip up. Well, nothing like a side road or roadside stop. Blew the tire out. Smoking pretty good. No worries. We got the best mechanics in the world right now. Get after it. What do you think, Evan? All right, we made it. Raptor's here. Everybody else getting ready to pull in. So we got the old firehouse. If you guys have been to Silver Lake, you guys may have seen this house right next to the road on where BP's at. So it's an awesome location. I'll show you guys the inside of it here in a minute. But everybody else getting ready to pull in, so we're going to see them and get after it. Got the free runner. Evan and Austin and their side-by-sides. Got Tanner pulling his General. The old Great White Buffalo. Alright, so we finally made it out here. Got the Blazer out here. Side-by-sides, Reese and Evan. Hi. Hey. We got Austin and Anna over there. Got Tyler's new pre-runner, Raptor. I think he wants a piece of action. So I made a little bit of pull coming in here. Made about 8 pounds boost. Everything seems good. Feeling's good. Tanner's gonna go out there and make a roll pass real fast. Put a little bit of boost on the dome. So should make, I would think, somewhere between like 15 and 18 pounds this pass. So as long as everything shifts and goes good, should be ready to rock. Feel a little nervous or no? No? No. This is your first time on camera? Probably. All right, let it rip. Glory flying high there. All right, just like we said, we're gonna go ahead and let him roll into it a little bit, see what she does. I'd say she's ripping pretty damn good there. Really rolling right into her, nothing on the brake. Hell yeah. Let's put some more boost to her. All right, Tanner, how'd the first pass go?
Not bad. Track's a little rough, but good shakedown pass, I guess. Felt strong.
Yeah, so we went ahead and just did a little bit of roller pass in there. So you guys can see, rolled in pretty good. Came into boost super clean. So you can see right here, only took about 2.5 seconds come in full boost. Made 16 pounds, so I had 10 on the dome. Exactly where I want to be. Oil pressure looks great. AFRs are a little bit fuel issues here, so I cleaned that up a little bit. Yeah, everything seems to be good. Oil pressure stayed pretty solid. Got down to 46 down here, obviously on the brakes, so goes away from the pickup tube, but everything else looks pretty solid right now. So we're gonna go ahead and make another pass. We're gonna leave off the brake. We'll make sure that all works good. And then if we decide we want to make one more pass, we'll decide to turn it up. So we'll see what she can do. All right, so he's coming back up. So we're gonna go ahead and line him up. Like you said, last pass made 16 pounds rolling into it. So we're gonna go ahead and leave off the brake, make sure it's happy. And then we'll hope everything will be good. Made it pretty good. Looks like we may have lost a scoop there. Mounts pretty good right in the center there. So we'll see if she did. Sounded clean, came up on the brake. I'm not sure if it shifted. Did you hear it shift? It felt like it was up in the RPM, and didn't shift very well. So we'll check that out. But yeah, overall, for low boost, it's ripping pretty good. All right, so pass number 2, how'd that feel?
Not bad.
Got a little wacky up top, huh?
Definitely rough out there.
Yeah, so the track hasn't been groomed all day, so it's pretty rough. So we're taking a chance by even running it right now. But
We need some data.
you got to get some data, and yeah, you got about, I don't know, 2 or 3 foot off the ground on the rear end over there. So, but we're good. Everything looked good. So pulling the log right now, see what kind of boost and stuff she made, and yeah, we're gonna put her up. Found a couple loose bolts, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten those up when we get back to the house, and be ready to get out here tomorrow. Any last words?
Nope.
Ready to rip. All right, what's up, everybody? We're wrapping up our day. The Blazer turned out pretty good. Made a couple rips, as you guys saw. A couple small things to do. We'll tidy up a few bolts and stuff. Our hood, as you guys can see, broke a little bit. Oops, sorry. We got a little bit of a broken hood there, so we'll just take the hood off for the weekend. All the side-by-sides went well, so we're gonna go ahead and get back home, get us some chicken shack, and enjoy our night. Go ahead and get out of here. Courtney's wrapping the Blazer up. Tanner's Razor had a flat tire, looks like. Courtney's struggling with the straps like always. And yeah, I'll have to fix that in the morning. All in all, great day. We'll go ahead and wrap this up. We'll see you guys next time. I'll probably give you guys an update video in the next day or 2 on our trip out to the dunes, and we got some racing coming up on Friday. So great seeing you guys.